Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen twice and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle, which for me is located right over here on the second page. And it looks like this. Once you see it, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize your hotspot. Now, even if you don't want to change too much, I still recommend navigating here, as hotspot does come with its own randomly generated password, which you can see right here. So while we're here, we can just get rid of it and then set up our own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And from there, click on save. Anyway, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around we're going to just simply tap on it to turn it on, and from now on you can just connect to your hotspot with other devices. And once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, it's just beneficial for the battery life to turn it off. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.